Winton School, Kor Seamus. I am Seamus. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 27th of February.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's phase is Rutua,
which is te reo for tackle. I wonder if the boys could use that in rugby this season.
ka pai. On to the weather. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 12 o'clock until 2 o'clock.
It's been great to see you all wearing your potae. They are still required today from 11 o'clock. Kia ora.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school, but Mr Wadsworth is still waiting for us all to be wearing them.
Fun run. Winton School, this is the last week to get all your training in so you can beat the teachers. Hope you are all training hard.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. No, I'm drowning in water.
You don't need the dramatic effect. And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.